How do you get a small business loan? Whether you're looking for funding from a bank, a credit union, an online lender, or a microlender, most lenders want to see a few things before they'll give you a loan. They'll ask you about how much money you want to borrow, what you plan to use it for, and look for a history of your business and your revenue to make sure you're an appropriate credit risk. The first thing lenders look for is time in business. Most lenders want to see you've been in business for at least 6 months and have some revenue coming in. It can seem like a chicken and egg situation. It's hard to start a business without funding, but it's hard to get funding without time in business. The only real way to jump that hurdle is to keep at it. Wait until you've been in business for at least 6 months, and then apply for a loan. Lenders will look at your personal and business credit scores when making a decision. Minimum credit scores will vary depending on the lender and loan type. But in general, a score of 600 or higher will start to qualify you for funding. If your business is new, a great way to build credit to qualify for a loan is to start with a business credit card. Just like a personal credit card builds your personal credit score, a business credit card builds your business credit score, which can help you qualify for a loan in the future. Once you've met these minimum requirements, you can apply for a small business loan. In the application process, you'll be asked about the amount you're looking for, your monthly revenue, and the purpose of your loan. Come prepared with your business bank statements, tax returns, and business license. With Lendio, you can apply to over 75 lenders with one application. Answer a few questions about your business and your goals, and we'll work to match you with the funding that fits your business. And if you're still in the early stages, our funding experts can work to set you up with a business credit card to help you build your credit. Watch the other videos in this series to learn more about different types of loans you could qualify for. Apply in just a few minutes. Get started at Lendio.com.